Today I'm going to show you how to use the Pine script editor in TradingView. Right here on TradingView on the right hand side you will see a toolbar. This is some shortcuts that you'll find here, and you're looking for an icon that looks like a pine tree. You're going to go ahead and click on this, and this is your Pine editor. So what you want to do here is you want to give it a name. You want to also go ahead and you'll be able to code here immediately. All right, so this is Pine script code, and you need to just make sure that you understand it's subject to the terms of Mozilla public license. You'll also have your username in over here, and then you'll be able to go over to the top right hand side, hit the three dots here. You'll see editor settings. So here, if you go in here, you'll be able to change some of the settings for the actual editor. You'll also be able to open the editor in a new window or a new tab if you'd like it in full screen. And this editor is now, whatever you are adding in here will be related directly to the chart that you're opening up. So if you'd like to do this on multiple charts, go ahead and open up multiple windows over here and then open Pine editor accordingly. Now, if you'd like to go ahead and publish or save this, you can simply click save. This will allow you to save the script. And if you'd like to publish it or share it with your community on TradingView, you can simply click on Publish Script right over here. You can also see over here, there's some information at the bottom. If you click on it, you will see your reference manual, so you can see all of what is going on the actual script itself. Now, if you'd like to close it, you can simply just click on close, or you can just move the overlay to a split view so that it's not overlaying your chart.